All right, it's currently August 13th, 2026. Here's the update for today. I'm not sure if we're going to do daily updates, but I'm not sure if we're going to do daily update videos per se, but if I make progress on something, I'm going to share it with y'all. So, got the entire sorry, I'm a little ADD, tongue-tied. These trees are good. These trees need to get dedusted or blown off gently. I took off all the buildings earlier, brushed them off with water, and I let them dry. Just the buildings, not the vehicles. I did what I could to gently brush off the vehicles, but the buildings got the hardcore cleaning per se. Oh yeah, the silos. Construction paper, ink. I cannot get that wet. Gonna have to just brush it. Still dirty. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I'm not really a stack train kind of guy. I love me those mixed manifests. But yeah, I just got everything, all the buildings and these accessories cleaned. Need to get that groups of trees dedusted. A couple of them broke in the pulling up process. So I'm going to have to get some more made with these, whatever you call those, super trees by Scenic Express. Have to see what I have left in there to make do with. Oh yeah, while we're down here, I still need to clean all the bottom. Look at that. I probably should have started on the bottom first before I worked my way up. Well, I'll get her done. I'll give it a good vacuuming again if need be before I put everything back in its original place. So, yeah, this is where we're at, everyone. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.